Hello students, my name is Amit Kumar Jain and in this video I am going to discuss about Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Basically, it is India's largest science talent search examination. In this video we are going to discuss that what is the eligibility criteria, how can you participate, what are the levels and what are the benefits if you participate in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. So first of all, let's try to find what is Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is an initiative of Vyanjana Bharati in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar. Vigyan Prasar is an autonomous organization under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, as well as it is also an initiative of NCRT, National Council of Education Research and Training, an institution under the Ministry of Education. So VVM, Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, is a national program for popularizing science among the school standard students of class 6 to class 11th. So basically, this is an examination for a student of class 6th to class 11th. So first of all, let's try to find out what are the eligibility criteria. So you already know that eligibility criteria is for the class 6 to class 11. But the class 6 to class 8 students comes under a group which is known as junior group, and class 9 to class 11 students come under a group which is known as senior group. So basically this exam is conducted for two groups, junior group as well as for senior group. Suppose if you are a student of class 7, then you come under the category of junior group, or if you are a student of class 10th, then you come under the category of senior group. So let's see the levels for Vigyan Bharati Manthan. What are the levels? And you already know that eligibility criteria for a student of class 6 to class 11. So if you are in this category, then this is a golden opportunity for you to participate in VVM. So these are the levels. So first of all, you will recognize as the for school level, then you will recognize for district level as well as for state level and national level. So there are four levels in this particular examination. And how will you reach towards these levels? Now we are going to discuss these things in the next slides. So basically VBM is an examination at the school level, and after giving that examination, top 3 rankers per class will be school winners. Let's say for example, so student from 6 to 11th. So there are 6 classes. So from every class or for every school, there are 3 toppers, 3 anchors. So total number of students from class 6 to class 11 will be 18. So the top 3 rankers per class will be school winners, and the condition for to be in the category of top 3 rankers, it will be that minimum 10 students per class must be registered from a school. This is the minimum condition. Next, so after getting the merit certificate for school level, they will be recognized as the district level. They will the rankers will move towards district level if top 3 rankers per class will be the district winners. Say for example, we come in a district named as Jaipur. So जयपुर में से टॉप 3 रैंकर्स, जितने भी जयपुर के स्कूल के बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, उन सब में से जो टॉप 3 रैंकर्स होंगे पर क्लास, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम 6th, फ्रॉम 7th एंड सो ऑन टू 11th, तो हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में से पर टॉप 3 रैंकर्स जो होंगे हर क्लास में से, वो चूज किए जाएंगे एट अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, और उन्हें भी लाइक दे विल गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट आल्सो. now come to the state level. Now now come to the state level. Now how can you reach towards state level? So जो top 20 रैंकर्स होंगे हर क्लास में से फ्रॉम ए स्टेट, so our state is Rajasthan, so जितने भी top 20, let's say for example top 20 means 120 students, because the classes are there are total 6 classes. So from every class top 20 rankers from all the districts, only top 20 rankers will be selected for state level, and there will be a camp ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन अ स्टेट. वो कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, किसी भी लोकेशन पे, स्टेट पे डिपेंड करता है जो भी कोविड सिचुएशन रहेगी उस टाइम की, उसके अकॉर्डिंग. सो वो टॉप 20 रैंकर्स को बुलाया जाएगा उस कैंप को अटेंड करने के लिए. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ 120 स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम एवरी स्टेट विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर द स्टेट लेवल कैंप. So after crossing the state level camp, they will move towards the national level camp. So जो top 2 winners होंगे, मतलब top 2 winners means 12 students. सो टॉप टू दैट इज जो टॉप 20 होंगी, यहाँ पे कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे, कुछ क्विज या प्रेजेंटेशंस या कई सारी एक्टिविटीज होंगी एट स्टेट लेवल कैंप पे. उनमें से जो टॉप 2 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, टॉप 2 रैंकर्स होंगे, दे विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेशनल लेवल. सो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स जो हर स्टेट में से जाएंगे, दैट विल इट्स 12 स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज हर क्लास में से 2 स्टूडेंट्स, सो देयर आर 6 क्लासेस, सो 12 स्टूडेंट्स विल मूव टुवर्ड्स नेशनल लेवल कैंप. सो नेशनल लेवल कैंप पे भी एक नेशनल लेवल पे भी एक नेशनल लेवल कैंप किया जाएगा, दैट विल फॉर 1 डे और 2 डे. And जो top 3 rankers होंगे per class will be the national camps. So 18 students will be at national level. So these are the levels. That is, first one is school level. For school level and district level, to reach towards the state level, there is an examination at school level. See, what are the rewards? What are the awards after participating in VBM? So at the school level, if you come in the top 3 of your school, so you will get a certificate. So you can download that certificate from your profile account. And what is this profile account? I'm going to discuss in the few slides. So you need to download a certificate, as well as the same for district level. There is a certificate, merit certificate. So if you are in the toppers and if you got selected for state level camp, you will get a state camp participation certificate, as well as state camp memento. And if you are in the rankers, top 3 rankers, like first 3 or third rankers per class, after participating in a state level camp, so you will get a cash prize of 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees according to your rank. So level 4 will be or the national level camp. So if you are in a toppers of state level camp, then you will move towards national level camp. So in the national level camp, you will get a certificate, the national camp participation certificate, as well as memento, and you will get a cash prize of 25,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees according to your rank, as well as you will get a chance to get a cash prize of 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 rupees according to your June. So these are the awards you will get after participating in VBM. Let's try to find out what is state level camp. So as I said earlier, top 20 rankers from every class for every student will be identified to participate in the 1 or 2 day state level camp. ये कैंप कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, स्टेट की लोकेशन पे कहीं पे भी. और इस स्टेट लेवल कैंप पे क्या क्या चीजें होने वाली हैं? एक एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होंगे, हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज होंगी, ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड एनालिसिस एंड सिचुएशनल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी एंड सीरीज ऑफ अदर एक्टिविटीज. इन एक्टिविटीज के बेसिस पे आपको जज किया जाएगा, और जज करने के बाद जो भी रैंकर्स होंगे, जो टॉप रैंकर्स होंगे, उन्हें नेशनल लेवल कैंप के लिए सेलेक्ट किया जाएगा. और एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन दिस स्लाइड. Now let's know about national level camp. So as I said, from a national level camp, top 2 students from each class, that is 12 students from each state, will be invited to a 2-day national camp. और इस नेशनल लेवल कैंप में क्या क्या चीज होने वाली? प्रेजेंटेशंस, एक्टिविटीज टू टेस्ट साइंटिफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इनोवेशन, क्रिएटिविटी, आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग एंड असेसमेंट ऑफ लीडरशिप क्वालिटी. दीज आर द एक्टिविटीज दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डन फॉर अ 2-day national camp. So from that 2-day national camp, 12 students from every state, let's say for example 12 students from Rajasthan, 12 students from Madhya Pradesh, 12 students from UP and so on, ये सारे स्टूडेंट एक जगह इकट्ठा होंगे 2-day नेशनल कैंप के लिए, और फिर ये कई सारी एक्टिविटीज होंगी. उन एक्टिविटीज के बेसिस पे आपको जज किया जाएगा, एंड ऑन दैट बेसिस यू विल गेट, अगर आप रैंकर्स में थे तो यू विल गेट द अवार्ड्स, जो कि मैं पहले ही आपको बता चुका हूँ.